Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the GMKtec AI Mini PC Ultra 9 285H, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. This little guy has been blowing minds in the AI Mini PC space, and I'm excited to dive in and see what all the fuss is about. For those who are new to the world of tiny PCs that can tackle some serious processing power, this thing is like a superhero in disguise, small but mighty, and ready to take on any task you throw at it. Now, let's talk about who GMKtec AI Mini PC Ultra 9 285H is for. It's for anyone looking for a powerful machine that won't break the bank or take up too much space. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just someone who wants to get into the world of AI and machine learning, this tiny powerhouse can help you get there. So, what makes this little guy tick? For starters, it's got some serious processing power under the hood, 16 cores and 16 threads that can reach turbo clock speeds of up to 5.4 GHz. That means it can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease, from video editing to AI-powered projects. One of my favorite features of this machine is its AI NPU, which gives it a serious boost when it comes to accelerating AI tasks. This thing is like a supercomputer in your living room. Imagine being able to run complex algorithms and machine learning models in the blink of an eye. Of course, no review would be complete without talking about graphics performance. And let me tell you, this GPU packs a punch. With 8 cores and support for DirectX 12, OpenGL 4.5, and OpenCL 3, it's capable of handling even the most demanding games and creative applications. But what really sets this machine apart is its ability to output multiple screens at once. Whether you're working on a project that requires a lot of multitasking or just want to be able to see multiple windows at the same time without having to switch between them, this feature is a game changer. And then there's the Oculink port, which I'm not even going to get into because it's just too cool. Essentially, it gives you higher bandwidth capabilities, better frame rates, and lower lag than traditional Thunderbolt ports. It's like having a direct line to your eGPU heaven. Now, let's talk about what really matters: real-world performance. From what I've seen so far, customers are loving this machine for its ability to handle demanding tasks with ease. Of course, there are always some minor complaints, but overall, it seems like this thing is a real winner. So, is the GMKtec AI Mini PC Ultra 9 285H worth buying? In my opinion, if you're in the market for a powerful machine that won't break the bank or take up too much space, then yes, this is definitely worth considering. It's not perfect, but it's close. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews.